Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we've got a very special model with us. This is the Kaido House Mini GT BMW M3 Kaido GT V1. So probably a couple of months ago we got to see the BMW M3, which was the first released by Kaido House, and that was in this blue color, and that one it had a few decals on it. This one, however, on the other side, it's a more on the neater side, it's more on the clean spec side. You look at the box and probably you'll see that it's got Advan written here at the back and nothing else on the sides. This is what the box looks like. Kaido House Mini GT. We've got a very dull picture of the car on the side in the shadows. So this is from the front. This side we've got the picture from the rear. Here we've got the BMW hologram, which means that this is an officially licensed product. Kaido House motto, car culture for all scales. And of course we've got the classic Kaido House packaging. So one very interesting thing, that this particular model, even when I was filming its short unboxing video, this has somehow given me a lot of trouble while taking it out of the box. It's like too tight. It does not come off very easily. So let's just try and take it out of the box and see what it's like. So you just need to just make a small gap and then you can take it out. Here we've got Kaido House written on both sides. We take it out. Very nice solid box. It's very hard cardboard, very hard. Even the blister inside this box, it's super snug. Some of the packaging is just way too tight on this one, even the blister for that matter. So finally we've managed to take the car out of the box, and here we go. First impression, it has to be what was my impression, that it is very neat and clean. Kaido houses, they are generally a little loud. This gives you the feeling that this is stock in nature. I'm just talking about the color and everything, like it's very minimalistic. I think that's the right word for it. So yeah, I like it. I think it's amazing. It's got beautiful wheels, silver wheels, which are complementing this color very nicely. It's this deep dark red color. It's deep red, maybe blood red. Kaido House has always been known for their nice and metallic paint finish, and this continues that. The paint finish in this is just outstanding. I mean, if you look at it, the paint finish, it's probably shining in the camera also, so I do not really need to speak way too much about it. Wheels are beautiful, and they also have that tire stickering on it. Very nice and free rolling. That is also an added bonus. And they've got the tire stickering. I think it's Yokohama Advan. So very cool. Small tiny side mirrors over here. Now we'll quickly have a look at the front. The front is just something which has been very well designed, because the small kidney grille and those quad headlamps, they are never easy to replicate even in bigger scales, and 64 scale is just very difficult because it's very small. Yet they have done a very good job, and it might sound a little too superlative, but yes, I think it's perfect. I mean, in 64 scale, I personally cannot imagine too many better details than what they have offered on this particular model. So I already have the blue one, and now that I keep this side by side, I realize that in this you are able to appreciate the details better. The grille, the lights is just more visible because there are less things going on. No too many decals and stickers. Everyone has their own choice. Let me know, what do you like? Do you like this kind of look, or do you like, the decals and everything? You like a loud car? Over here at the back we've got the Advan branding. And then finally we come on to the rear. The tail lamps are very well done. The number plate area, it's got the name of the car, so that actually says KHMG. KHMG is Kaido House Mini GT E30. The badging of BMW M3, the BMW logo or the M3 badging, very well done. And also the exhaust. If you look at the detailing of the exhaust, it's so well done. Another cool detail to appreciate here is the wiper on the front windshield. Very nicely done. And another thing here at the rear, probably you can see it from both sides. First I'll show you from the top angle. This got a bit of a carbon touch. It looks like a carbon fiber wing. And also if I show you from this side, it's got the Advan branding over here at the base. Finally, I think Kaido House, the day since it was launched, it's always been popular for these beautiful bases, the rainbow chrome base which Kaido House gives. And this one is just so neat and tidy. It's so plain. I'll be honest with you, I am not very fond of detailing on the base when the base is so beautiful. The more plain it is, the more you are able to appreciate this chrome the rainbow chrome. So I like this plain base. I'm not really sure if you do. Let me know if you like even the Kaidos to have a very nice and detailed base. For me, if it's a Kaido with this rainbow chrome base, even a plain base does the job well. Finally, before ending this video, I need to show you this. For this I had to take out my gloves because this has got such few panel gaps that I simply cannot open this clamshell hood with my gloves. I had to take them off. Engine details you can see very nicely done, and also you will realize that what they do is they always use some of the colors from the exterior inside also, so it really looks very personalized. It's not like all the Kaido House Mini GT E30s have got a similar engine bay. They do customize it according to the car in which they are fitting it. So these are small details of the dark red color or the brown color, however you want to say it, it just makes it a little more special. This is what the car looks like with the hood open. In 64 scale, you're getting this car at a very good price with some very good details, very good paint finish, and also an opening part, and that also such a complex opening part. Quickly, I'll just shut it. So this is it guys, a short video of the new BMW E30 M3 Kaido House Mini GT. Name of this color is something which I'll leave it to you guys. Sometimes it looks like a little red to me, sometimes it looks like a little maroon, sometimes it even looks like a shade of brown. Throughout this video I've been thinking, oh my god, what exactly should I call this color, and I'm at my wit's end. Let me know what do you guys want to call it, and did you like this car? Did you like this clean spec, or you liked the last one more? That is also I think a very valid and genuine question which I am curious to know. What kind of cars do you guys prefer, and have you ordered this? Do you plan to order it, or you'll wait for another specification? Thank you.